Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Horizon. Today we're diving into the details of KuCoin's bonus system. If you're looking to understand how these bonuses work and how to maximize them, then this video is for you. Make sure to stick around till the end to get all the details and use the referral code r83QNF1 to start earning on KuCoin. So, what exactly are KuCoin bonuses? Understanding the bonus system is crucial for maximizing your earnings on the platform. KuCoin offers various types of bonuses, including those tied to holding KuCoin shares, KCS, referral bonuses, and staking bonuses. Let's break these down. First up, let's talk about KuCoin shares or KCS. 1. KCS bonuses. By holding KCS, you can receive a portion of the trading fees collected by the platform. This is one of the key benefits of owning KCS. 2. Daily bonuses. The more KCS you hold, the higher your daily bonus. These bonuses are distributed daily and are based on the number of KCS you hold and the total trading fees collected by KuCoin. For example, if you hold 100 KCS and the platform collects a substantial amount in trading fees, your share of the bonus will be higher compared to holding a smaller amount of KCS. Next, let's look at how you can earn bonuses by referring friends to KuCoin. 1. Referral program. KuCoin offers a robust referral program that allows you to earn bonuses by inviting others to join the platform. 2. Earning bonuses. Each time a referred user completes a trade, you earn a portion of the trading fees as a bonus. This can add up quickly if you refer active traders. Here's how you can do it. Share your referral code r83QNF1 with friends and family. When they sign up using your code and start trading, you earn bonuses based on their trading activity. KuCoin also offers staking bonuses. 1. Staking options. By staking certain cryptocurrencies on KuCoin, you can earn additional bonuses. This is a great way to grow your holdings while contributing to the network's security and efficiency. 2. Earning potential. The amount you earn depends on the cryptocurrency you stake and the staking period. KuCoin often runs promotional staking programs with higher yields, so keep an eye out for these opportunities. KuCoin has a VIP program that enhances your bonus earnings. 1. VIP levels. The more you trade, the higher your VIP level. Higher levels offer increased bonus percentages and lower trading fees. 2. Bonus enhancements. As you move up the VIP tiers, your bonuses from holding KCS and referrals increase. This incentivizes active trading and holding larger amounts of KCS. Here's a quick look at how it works. VIP 1 requires a minimum 30-day trading volume of 50 BTC or asset balance of 50 KCS. VIP 2 requires a minimum 30-day trading volume of 200 BTC or asset balance of 200 KCS. VIP 3 requires a minimum 30-day trading volume of 1,500 BTC or asset balance of 1,500 KCS. KuCoin offers other bonus programs to enhance your earnings. 1. Trading competitions. Participate in trading competitions for a chance to win bonuses and other prizes. 2. Promotional offers. KuCoin frequently runs promotions that offer additional bonuses for trading specific cryptocurrencies or participating in special events. Here are some tips to help you maximize your bonuses on KuCoin. 1. Hold KCS. The more KCS you hold, the higher your daily bonuses. Aim to accumulate and hold KCS to benefit from the daily bonus distribution. 2. Refer. More friends. The referral program is a great way to earn passive bonuses. Share your referral code r83QNF1 widely to maximize your earnings. 3. Participate in staking. Staking can provide a steady stream of bonuses. Look for high-yield staking opportunities on KuCoin. To sum up, understanding KuCoin's bonus system can help you maximize your earnings effectively. Don't forget to use the referral code r83QNF1 to get started with KuCoin and enjoy exclusive benefits. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more crypto tips and updates. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to KuCoin, sign up using the referral code r83QNF1, and start earning your bonuses today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.